Welcome to Mahima Group. We are committed to excellence. From intelligent commercial spaces, comfortable residential societies to luxurious townships, as Mahima Group, our focus is to provide each of our associates, be it clients, investors, stakeholders, or employees, with the personal touch by understanding their unique needs and then giving them the right solution. Our mission is to provide our clients and associates with unique and profitable real estate choices. This is the reason why each of our property is considered as a smart investment of time and resources. Ever since the inception in 1990, it has been a journey that has seen steady progress on the path of solid growth and excellence. This is Mahima Group. We are committed to excellence.
Realizing revolutionary ideas, Mahima Group with ISO 9001 certification has showcased the best of layout designs and construction quality. Crystal Mall, Crystal Court, Crystal Palm, Mahima Trinity. These are not just shopping malls, but a hub to multinational clientele and global brands. With these, Mahima Group introduced Jaipur to a newer definition of commercial experience. Changing the very concept of living, Mahima Group launched residential addresses that have become a landmark for many. Mahima's Fountain Square, Mahima's Iris, Mahima's Elite, Mahima's Panorama, Mahima's Desire, Mahima's Nirvana, Mahima's City Ville, Mahima's Kopal, Mahima's Panache, Mahima's Panache Studio, Mahima's Elanza, Mahima's Eminence, and Mahima's Regent Park, Alwar. Each of these addresses offer a luxurious experience coupled with modern amenities for a delightful contemporary living. As pioneers in lifestyle building and redrawing city's skyline, Mahima Group has always promoted new age living with its stunning residential and commercial creations.
Elite is not just our home, it's our lifestyle. When we tell people that we stay in Mahima's Elite, it is sufficient introduction. Our 3-bedroom apartment is modern, every corner is well designed, meeting today's and future requirements. Truly, everything about Elite is A-class.
A jewel set amongst the plush vicinity of Jagatpura, just 3 kilometers from Jaipur International Airport. Mahima's Panache is designed to give an unprecedented high to a selected few, leaving others spellbound. 2 and 3 BHK high-end luxury apartments and penthouses. 70% of landscape greens. 18 feet wide paving driveway. Cascading water bodies. An extensive clubhouse presenting an enormous luxury expanse. With thoughtfully conceptualized layout plan, Mahima Panache is the perfect setting for you and your loved ones. Mahima Panache, the pride of living. An unmatched level of excellence defines the magnificent towers set against the pristine blue sky. Welcome to Mahima's Elanza. Away from the city, yet close to its heart, Mahima's Elanza is located on the prime 200 feet wide road at Patrakar Colony near Mansarovar. Come home to 5 acres of sprawling delight with 300 mega luxury units of 2 and 3 BHK lifestyle apartments. 14 floors above the ground. Enjoy your walk in clouds. Set your spirits free in the exclusive clubhouse sprawling across 20,000 square feet. Flawless creativity, exemplary architecture. Welcome to Mahima's Elanza. Luxury resides here. If nature is the luxury you treasure above all, then here's an address you would want to own. Mahima's Nirvana. Located at Ajmer Road, near the biggest SEZ plant in Jaipur, Mahindra World City. 5 acres of lush green surrounds, landscaped for your mind, body and soul. Ecologically committed environment with 83% greens. 6 escalated towers hosting 332 apartments. Green clubhouse, a home to luxurious amenities. Peace of mind with CCTV surveillance. Taking you beyond the parameters of contemporary living. Mahima Nirvana, an epitome of excellence. Mahima brings to you a modern trend that has swept the globe. Studio Panache, located within the periphery of Mahima Panache at Jagatpura. Studio Panache presents the concept of compact living that can be personalized in whatever manner you choose. A studio for the bachelor life. 1 BHK for the couple celebrating togetherness. 2 BHK apartment for a family bonding together. Revolutionizing the definition of comfort, Studio Panache endows fully furnished living spaces and a playful clubhouse hosting modern-day amenities. Play, live, evolve. Studio Panache is beautifully landscaped paradise for people from all walks of life.
It's been a journey of more than 2 decades, delivering more than 25 projects. Moving on with the vision to build world-class and unique concepts, following the highest standards of professionalism, ethics, quality and customer service. Mahima Group, we are committed to excellence.